So it's early and I decided to get up and go in my bathroom and play in makeup as usual. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do today, but I decided to go in and handle these eyebrows. Then I wound up just doing a whole face of makeup. So right now I'm just using my I think it's Glamoflauge, yeah, from Hard Candy. And I'm just outlining my eyebrows. And every day I think I get better and better. But one, of course, always looks so much better than the other one. Let's see, just trying to straighten that up. And lighting is so important. I'm starting to realize how much it really determines the quality of my video. And I have this massive window in my bathroom, and it's beautiful today here in Texas. Cold, but beautiful. And the light didn't want me to be great, but you know what? I'm still dope. Okay, we're gonna go on with the other one. And I'm still trying to get to the whole eyebrows are sisters, not twins. They're kind of cousins. They're still cousins. But I'll figure it out. Now, this is a process that I will say take your time on. I know a lot of people are still learning how to do their eyebrows and how to fill them in and how to outline them. So this is a part that I kind of wanted to play somewhat slow, even though I sped it up ×2, just for you to get an idea of it's a process. I want to say my eyebrows take the longest at this point, and they're still not perfect, but your girl's getting better. I feel like I was trying to carve into my damn head. Like it looks like I'm trying to like scoop out my brain there. But I'm just trying to get the basic shape of what I want. All right. And usually I try to compare them out, like bring a line across to see if it's starting in the same spot or... Okay, then I realized like, okay, I have to go down a bit. So I played around my eyebrows quite a bit here. All right. So pretty much from this point, you get the drift. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure they're even, and I'm probably gonna pop back in once they're done. All right, so here we go. Eyebrows are pretty much done. I went in with my e.l.f. color corrector in the color orange, and I'm just stippling that into my face now, trying to get all the areas that have dark marks or anywhere where the light doesn't necessarily hit as evenly. Going in with my Milani, and that's a 2-in-1. I think it's like a conceal and foundation little situation. It oxidizes a little dark, but I didn't want to be like light bright today, so I said, okay, might as well just go with this. I'm just stippling that all over my face. I'm trying to make sure I get it into all of the areas. With this being that you can see from my forehead, it is definitely darker than me. If I don't stipple the hell out of this, you're going to see the lines of demarcation or just areas that it really has not set in. I tried to do my eyebrows like I usually do in a circular motion, but with the stippling brush, it doesn't work as good. And I didn't feel like getting the buffing brush at that moment. So I'm just trying to do my little circle rotations around my eye to get that halo off of it. And I got my little ninja bun going today. I didn't feel like curling. I didn't feel like faux hawking or anything. I just said, you know, this is going to be me today. All right, I'm just going in. All right, looking okay. Trying to make sure it looks decent. All right, let's see. I'm trying really hard to get that off, but I think in the end I just wound up letting it do what it did. Remember, you're dope no matter what. No matter how uneven your eyebrows, no matter how much chin hair, no matter how fat your face or the neck that does not exist, you are still dope. I'm going with my LA Girl Pro.Conceal, I believe. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'm just making sure I get it nice and good. I really love this one. And it's in the color Toffee, which is light, but again, that's my highlight color. And that's my concealer color. Going in under my eyes, under my nose, forehead, down the center of my nose, and on my chin. And usually I just let it sit for a little while. I don't necessarily blend it in right away. And I noticed for me, it is working perfect. Going in with my contour, you already know the drill, Black Radiance and ESPRESSO. It's their foundation mousse in a little jar. And that's just where I carve out my face and where I want things to, well, the light to detract or deflect. Anytime you contour your face, you're just deciding where you want to look most chiseled. It's pretty much building a whole new face. I've watched videos where I've seen people contour their face and they start off as one person and I don't know who they turn into. This is my buffing brush, so now that I put my contour down, then I go in. I'm gonna just buff out my concealer color and my highlight. And just, I never rub, I'm always patting. I'm patting and pushing, just pushing it into the skin, pushing it into the foundation that's underneath. Making sure I get it nice and good. And I'm bringing it up along the sides of my nose somewhat. Okay, and make sure you push, 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 because you can still see the lines and the marks that you leave there. Now I'm gonna go in with my contour color, and I go right in after my highlight color, because it kind of lightens up the foundation. It helps it blend a lot better, so it's not just like 3 or 4 different shades on my face. So that I like. Getting my forehead. I don't necessarily think I have a big forehead. I like my forehead just like I like my nose. But some people may think it's big, so I've just been practicing lately with taking my highlight, taking my contour all around those different areas just to see what effect I can have or how different I look, or, you know, as I told you guys, I'm just trying to perfect this thing. I'm getting good. And my video quality is getting better. I'm starting to be a lot more open to just filming on my iPhone or my iPad because the quality seems so much better than my Canon. I'm gonna get another lens, and that's just the Midnight Banana Powder. I'm going in with, usually I go in with Topaz, which is more of a peachy orange color, but I just decided to do banana powder, and I'm just going along my, underneath my contour, you know, the regular, underneath my eyes, nose, forehead, chin. And the residual I just wound up like rubbing all over my face, I think. My 2 favorite things, my All Over Glow, Bronze Glow, and my Coral Cove Milani. I'm going in with the, did I do the highlight first? I did. So it's All Over Glow. And of course at the end, I'm gonna attach the picture so you can see, because the video never does these looks any justice. So I'll snap a few pictures. And now I think I'm gonna go in with the Coral Cove. Yes, I am. And I bring it right into my contour, and I also bring it up the side of my face. It works for me. I like it. I think it's cute, so I'm going with it. Okay. I wanted to see if you can actually see it. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm just gonna go in with my, I believe it's already Flawless. Spray, spray, spray. And I just put a little bit of color on my eyes. Nothing major.